A pleasant evening to you. I'm Dwayne Burbick with your Business Day. The Insurance Association of Jamaica IAJ is calling for more public education when it comes to health and insurance as the cost of care continues to stack up. The call came from Peter Levy, the Vice President of the Insurance Association of Jamaica, the IAJ. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Billions in payments are made each year for insurance claims. Last year alone, insurance companies paid out $20 billion for individual life benefits and $17 billion for group health benefits. But a lifestyle and an aging population suggest even more could be paid out in the future.
Critical illness insurance now represents 25% of new policies sold, as more and more persons recognize the need to protect themselves against illnesses such as cancer, heart attacks, and strokes.
These are illnesses which cause financial strain, and that is why insurers, despite being there to make payouts, want Jamaicans to take these illnesses, which are exacerbated by lifestyles, seriously.
There's a need for more public education, but more importantly for individuals to take personal responsibility for their health.
Even more so since most people do not have insurance to help pay for health care. Only 25% of Jamaicans now have group health insurance.
Which leaves 75%, which 75% puts tremendous pressure on that underfunded and overwhelmed public health system. So it's critical for the country, and it is it should be an imperative for the industry to seek to grow the penetration of health insurance.
Overall, though, he wants more prevention because the cost of the cure is getting more prohibitive. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $129.58. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.76. The pound sterling now costs $164.67, while the euro is selling for $144.29. And stocks ended mostly lower in trading today, leading the main JSE market index down more than 2,131 points, while the junior market index lost 39. The winners of the day included Carib Cement, Dolphin Cove, NCB Financial Group, Proven Investments, Salada Foods, and T-Tech. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Cargo Handlers, ISP Finance, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Jetcon, Panjam, the Sagicor Group, and Seprod. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.